Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do 3 quick and easy ponytails. The first one is going to be a crossover ponytail, so you want to split the hair probably mid-ear all the way along and clip the top half out of the way. Next we're going to divide that bottom section in half and clip each section out of the way until later. Drop down the top layer and just fix it in a simple ponytail just above the part line where we divided it from ear to ear. I'm going to be using this topsy tail hair tool. You can pick these up from loads of places, but I think I got my one from Amazon. So release the section of hair on the right hand side and insert that topsy tail tool diagonally to the left of the elastic band. Pass the hair through the loop, making sure that it's nice and smooth, and then pull the topsy tail through. Now we're going to repeat this on the other side. But this time we're going to pop the topsy tail tool to the right hand side of the elastic band, making sure that we insert it underneath the loop we've just created. Move the ponytail up and out of the way and you should be left with the two ends from the crisscross that we did. You're going to want to secure that with a little clear elastic band. This will just make sure everything stays in place. So that's our first ponytail done, and I just love how easy this one is. Okay, moving on to style number 2. This is going to be a really simple twisted ponytail. Start off by sectioning off a small slice of hair on the right hand side and the left hand side of the head. Then join these together with a clear elastic band. All we're going to do is pop our fingers behind the elastic band and flip that ponytail over, just creating a small twist. Just repeat this same technique, working all the way down the back of the head until you reach the nape of the neck. Make sure that you tighten up your ponytails after you've twisted them through so they're not too loose. And this is what the twisted ponytail looks like once it's done. Okay, for the last style, section out a slice of hair from the right and left hand side of the head. Then all you're going to do is a simple 3-strand braid. Make sure that you angle it towards the back of the head so you don't get any weird lumps and bumps. To make that braid look bigger, just pinch and pull on the outer sections of each loop of the braid. Then just repeat the same technique on the other side. Pin that right hand side braid to the back of the head using a couple of bobby pins. Next, I'm going to use my small topsy tail tool and just pass this through the braid. You don't need to use the tool for this if you don't have one. You can just stretch out the braid with your fingers. Next, just pass that left hand braid through the topsy tail tool and pull through. If you're using your fingers, you can just poke this through the braid yourself. Secure that braid with a couple of bobby pins, and then all you're going to do is make a ponytail and just secure it below those braids. So that's the braided ponytail finished. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe.